Okay, so we've got our tools laid out, ready for the fill. We've also got our A&D HL200I scale. All right, so we've got the balloon barely floating. It was stable at 11.9 a second ago, and we need 26.7 on the scale. 5, so we need 6 more.
7 more.
7 more grams?
Yeah.
2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000. Let's just let it stabilize.
0.
That's a good question. 0. All right, we gotta close the door. I say we call it 26.9.
All right.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Damn!
For a gram?
No, like we're at 26.9 and we should be, yeah, I'd say 26.9.
And we were aiming for 26.7.
26.7.
Right.
Next up is the iron.
Yep. Let's keep the balloon away from the iron. Let's keep the balloon away from all the shark tools. Scientific balloon solution suggested taking the edge of the iron, which is a little bit hot, and line sealing.
Right. The right. The right hand side of the neck.
Comes in the linear variety.
We're gonna measure out.
You sure you need 4 inches? Because you're gonna 3 roll that. It's gonna be like a centimeter wide when you're done.
We need 4 inches, so we calculated 4 inches of weight.
We calculated 4 inches of weight. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of extra tape on it because we need the extra weight, right?
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah.
So let's measure 8 inches of it.
Did you record our lift?
Yeah, tape. If we're gonna have extra weight, it might as well support the neck. So here's 8 inches of 1 inch tape. 0.4, which gets us an extra 0.2, which takes us to 26.7. That's exactly what we need. 1/8 inch.
We need a separate line, right?
Well, that looks like a pretty seriously good way to
Sure does.
secure that. All right,
Balloon, line.
time to fly. Look at this. Watch out. Uh-oh.
Oh, hey, oh.
You didn't tie a very good knot there, Bubba. Yeah, we've got quite a bit of wind. Looks like the wind's going that way pretty reliably. You sure that's not coming off now?
Yeah, positive.
Why don't you just, like, keep a hand on it?
At least you got that out of the Cub Scouts.
All right, we got a window here. Okay,
You got it?
let it go. All right, we're launched at 10:51. What? I, there it goes. Is it coming down? It looks like it's coming down. I think it's got escape velocity now.